What's going on YouTube? Early morning. Working on this Chevy, man. I ain't got all the tools in the world, but shit. I'm trying to put this grill on. I already took it off. It's a Billet grill. I'm gonna show it to y'all in a minute. Any of y'all ever try to put them in channel vent visors on your car, man? I try to put them on about 15 minutes into the job. I cracked them things, man. $65 gone. Y'all let me know, YouTube. Y'all never mess with them on a bubble, man. Everybody asked me about this dent right here. It came with it when I bought it. I'll fix it eventually. Paint and all that, I ain't too worried about that right now. I just want to make sure she running good. Drivetrain's good. She already breathing nice. I just need to put some headers on it. And I'll change that gear because she kind of slow for 93. I'll probably put a 373 in there. That's what I put in all cars. I don't care what it is. 373 going in there. Let me show y'all this grill though. I ain't got all the tools in the world. I'm doing this by hand. This is day 2 already. What it's looking like. You know what I'm saying? About to insert this grill in here. And do that. I'll be straight. You know what I mean? I ain't got the right kind of camera equipment to show y'all when I'm doing it. The process of doing it, it'll come up later as I progress with this channel. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing this car stuff or not, but that's what I like to do. I like to do my own stuff. I usually just don't have a lot of tools and stuff. I just do what I can when I got the free time to do it because I've been doing so much stuff, man. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what's gonna be the project. I'm moving slow with it because I got a lot of other stuff going on, but I'll make sure y'all stay in tune, everything that's going on. Back to this right there. Any of y'all ever done this before? I had to install it. I think it's easier on the Impala grill, but I'm not about to go out and buy no damn Impala grill. I'm about to just do my shit. I got a sander and all that. I'll smooth it out. I'll get it right. It'll get in there. And them Chevrolet letters, I'm going to do them black too. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's kind of the theme I'm thinking about going, you know. Black with this color that I got on here. But maybe a little darker. What y'all think, man? I already got the shoes I want to put on it. I ain't gonna go too big. I don't want 26 as I do, but I don't want to cut on it, man. I just want to ride. Some 24s, I'll be Gucci. I'll catch y'all back on and get more of this project.